Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from vicofanalysis.com. I wanted just to alert you that I changed my domain from the website from volume reaction to the vicofanalysis.com, since I want to put it I'm doing the Vyckoff analysis, and Vyckoff analysis is all about the volume and price patterns. So I changed the name from volumereaction.com to the vicofanalysis.com. So you can visit there and save to or bookmark that new website. That's one thing I want to alert you and the new thing. And now let's speak about the example on the British pound US dollar. I want to post this trading idea and what I'm expecting on the pound USD, and what you can benefit in the next period. This is a intraday to short term, my opinion on the pound, and I have some transactions here on the pound. As you can see, I bought yesterday and I added one position today. Basically everything started on the pound USD. Everything started from the massive selling climax here. If you want, I can put the better the candles, if you want. This is a massive selling climax, and look at the volume. It's really 120% from the average. It's a massive volume, and it's climatic action. Climatic action with this increase of 120-130% from the average. It's critical part, and this is the first thing in the volume aspect. If we speak about the volume, climatic actions are something which you must watch carefully. It's most important thing, the climatic actions, the high volume areas, and I'm teaching all this on my mentorship program to learn how to do the proper technical analysis, and to become a master of the price section and the volume. So basically, when I saw the selling climax, that was the first sign that I must watch and observe this currency and to see what will happen in the next period. You cannot trade just because of the one bar. It's too risky to do any trade. I would like to see the reaction after, to see the institutions and to see the large fund traders, how they will react, so I can jump and take part of the money for me. Let's say part of the cake. So basically, we got selling climax, and after on, price want to absorb this. For absorption, we needed to absorb whole area where the strong supply entered, and as you can see, where the price stopped, exactly on the supply zone where this major supply came in on this selling climatic bar. You see exactly how the price held that area. You see, it's quite good, good. Held about 2 days price, upward and back upward, and we created what? The trading range. This is what the Vyckoff will, one of the what was the Vyckoff, what Richard Vyckoff mastered, and what he focused mostly. This is a trading range, and this is a climatic action in the background. What is that? That's a first big sign for me that this may be a potential short-term accumulation on the British pound because of the nature of the reactions here. Climatic action usually stops the lowering because it's a panic reaction from the crowd, and then we go to the trading range, and in the quality breakout, seems this is a very quality breakout in my opinion. It's it's going upwards, increasing the volume. This is a sign of strength, or SOS. Then we got, of course, the correction. What we corrected previous swing highs, and also the upward trend line from this stage here, as you can see. So we got the double support there, diagonal and horizontal. And what we got there, basically, we got another climatic action in this area, and immediately action from buyers, as you can see, you know. And I started to buy this stage because this is a good area where you buy after the retest, you know, after the retest of the trading range, after the retest of the support in this deal line as well. So I bought here, and price went about 75 pips from my entry, and now it corrected on Asia session. It corrected starting from the Asia session to the right now. It's still good time. I added one position. I secured the previous yesterday positions, and I added new position here. Why? Because I will maybe better explain you maybe here, so you can see the bar which got the highest volume. Look at this on the 30 minutes. It's this demand. So they supporting this trend line here. You know, they clearly supporting. This is a massive volume, and if you compare that with, you know, it's a massive volume. And if you watch the nature and volumes here, you see the highest volume picks. They're bullish bars supporting, you know, this British pound. Look at the highest volume at this stage. Look at how healthy it's that, you know. Look at this, and look at the bar at that stage. It's a, you know, also supporting the trend line. And now look at this selling climax followed by, you know, demand here and retest, you know, of the trend lines. And now after this is normal correction. I still see that institutions are bullish. This is just something like correction, and right now we're in some agreement or equilibrium at this stage here, and I'm expecting another upward lag and price probably to reach the swing high and breaks above. That's why I added new position, you know, at 1.5800, let's see, 88, you know, at this stage here, you know. So I have this one from yesterday, and I added new because I'm adding into the good running market. Price still higher than I entered, so I still add. The basic rule in investing is you never add positions if they're losing. That's the worst thing you can do. You add positions if progress is good since your original first entry. And what I see that yesterday I bought 75 pips up, then correction here, you know, to swing high this stage here to the trend line, and this is another buy area from professionals and institutional. That's why I built it here, and it's still above my original entry for about 27, 28 pips. So basically you watch the nature of the volumes here, you watch the price section, trading range and the upward trend line, and you totally understand what's going on in the market. This is possible accumulation for a few hundred pips in my opinion, because this trading range just for itself from this bar is 100 pips, so I will expect at least, you know, double or triple that. We did a 1-1 ratio at this stage, so price went 100 pips above, you know, but I'm expecting at least few times more, you know, like 200-300 pips bullish moment. We'll see what will happen. We have also news, impact, and other aspects, but according to technically, this is still, as you can see, this is still good, you know, buying points here at this stage here. So that's it for this analysis. If you want to learn my method, and if you want to master the price action volume, you know, and I also have additional technique to use to find a trend when the investors are together with the crowd traders, you know, like additional thing I added to my mentorship program as well, which I will not show you here, you know, but you will learn pure price action, volume. You will understand the trading ranges, you know, you will understand where is the best time to enter, where is the what is the good risk reward ratio to go for, and how to manage your positions. Also additional I will give you the very simple setup rules and how to find a trend and how to ride with investors and traders together. Okay, that's it for this analysis. If you want to start my mentorship program, contact me via Skype, and of course subscribe my YouTube channel, follow me on my thread on Forex Factory, the Art of Trading by Petar Serbia, and visit my website buyqfanalysis.com. Wish you good trading and have a nice day.